If your Tinkercad upload is failing, freezing, or showing an error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get your file uploaded successfully. Whether you're working with an STL, OBJ, or SVG file, the problem is usually something simple like file size, file format, a broken mesh, or even a browser issue. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tips and troubleshooting guides. Let's get into it. First, check your file size and format. Tinkercad is very strict about what it accepts. For 3D files like STL and OBJ, keep the file under 25 megabytes. For 2D SVG files, the limit is usually under 1 megabyte. Also make sure you're using a supported file type. Tinkercad works with .stl, .obj, and .svg files, but it will not upload proprietary formats like .f3d or .step. If your file is too large or in the wrong format, the importer may freeze, reject the file, or simply fail without a clear message. If needed, convert your file to a supported format before trying again. Next, if your model is still not uploading, simplify and repair the mesh. A very complex model can overload Tinkercad's importer. One good target is to reduce the triangle count to below 300,000. You can do this in Blender using the decimate modifier, or in Mesh Mixer if you prefer a simpler repair workflow. Another big issue is holes or gaps in the surface of the model. Tinkercad needs the file to be watertight, also called manifold. If the mesh has missing faces, intersections, or broken geometry, the upload can fail. In that case, run the file through a repair tool like Aspos or another mesh fixer. Then export it again and test the upload one more time. Now let's move on to browser and system fixes, because sometimes the file is fine and the problem is actually your browser. Start by checking hardware acceleration in Chrome or Edge. Open your browser settings and make sure Use Hardware Acceleration when available is turned on. Tinkercad uses WebGL and your graphics hardware to process uploads, so if acceleration is off, outdated, or blocked by a driver issue, the upload can stall. After changing that setting, restart the browser and try again. If that doesn't help, try the upload in an incognito or private window. This is a very useful test because it temporarily disables many extensions and cached browser behaviors. Sometimes ad blockers, privacy tools, or security plugins interfere with the file transfer or block Tinkercad from loading properly. If the file uploads in incognito mode, then the issue is likely caused by one of your extensions, not the model itself. Another fix that works surprisingly often is clearing cached data. Go into your browser settings and delete cookies and other site data, especially anything from the last 24 hours if possible. A corrupted session or expired login token can break the upload process midway through. After clearing the cache, fully close every browser window, reopen the browser, sign back into Tinkercad, and try the upload again. This fresh session often resolves strange upload errors that seem random. If you're still stuck, I recommend testing the same file on a different browser or a different device just to isolate the cause. That helps you figure out whether the issue is with the file, the browser, or the computer itself. In many cases, the fix is simply reducing the file size, repairing the geometry, or resetting the browser session. So to quickly recap, check the file size and format first, simplify and repair the mesh if needed. Turn on hardware acceleration, test in incognito mode, and clear your cached data before trying again. Following these steps will solve most Tinkercad upload errors without wasting time. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with a specific Tinkercad file issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.